Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here's how to enable reachability, also called half screen, in 2 different ways. And turn it off if you are not using it. Without wasting your time. Let's start. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll to Accessibility Settings. Now, tap on Touch Settings. And see the Reachability toggle option. And enable it to start using any screen in reachability and half screen mode. To use this feature on full-screen iPhone models, follow me, touch the home bar at the bottom of the screen, and pull down instead of up like you would to go home. That's it. For home button iPhone users, double tap on the home button to enable reachability. You don't need to press the home button twice. To exit from the reachability screen, swipe up finger from bottom home bar or tap on the black space or tap on the upward arrow showing on the screen. That's it. The alternate method is to use Backtap. On double or triple tap on the backside of the iPhone, we can enable reachability. Move to the same settings screen, under the accessibility settings, and open touch settings. Scroll to back tap option at the last of the screen. Now, if you would like to adjust reachability on double tab, then select double tap and select reachability option. That's it. Now on gentle double tap, we can activate the reachability screen. To disable this feature, select the None option. And to completely disable reachability on your iPhone, move back to touch settings and disable the toggle reachability. This feature widely uses small-hand iPhone users or plus-size iPhone screens when we are not able to work with 2 hands or while we are traveling. That's it. Also, don't miss to share your problem with the accessibility feature in the comment box. And like, subscribe, and share for more upcoming tips.